Hi, in this lecture I will explain you how we can use the nested VLOOKUP formula as a trick in case if we want to retrieve the information from two tables. Nested VLOOKUP is helpful when you have to retrieve the details from two tables and the lookup value is not common field in both the tables. You may know nested if, which is helpful if you are checking multiple conditions in same formula. Similarly, you can use a VLOOKUP formula within VLOOKUP formula to get lookup value. This can be explained with this example. In this example, in one table, the data consists of employee number, tax account number, employee name, and salary. And in the second table, we have tax account number and tax deduction amount. So based on these two tables, we have to get the information about employee name, employee salary, and tax deduction amount based on employee number. Here the lookup value is employee number and we have to get employee name, salary, and tax deduction. But the problem here is in table 1 we have employee number, but in table 2 we do not have employee number. That means we do not have the lookup value in both the table. However, in table 2 we have tax account number and tax deduction amount. This tax account number is common in both the tables. Therefore, in case if we have to bring the information based on employee number from table 2, first we have to look up for tax account number, and based on this tax account number we have to look up in table 2 for tax deduction amount. So this can be done with the help of nested VLOOKUP formula. So let us see how to put this formula. In this table we have to retrieve the information of employee name from table A. That is very simple. We can put VLOOKUP formula for that. VLOOKUP lookup value and table array, column index number, that is 1 2 3, and it is exact match. Similarly, we can put VLOOKUP for the salary information also. But in case of tax deduction amount, that is VLOOKUP employee number, table 1 2 comma exact match 0. So this will give you tax deduction account number, and based on this tax deduction account number we have to look up in table 2 and get the tax deduction amount. To do that, basically this will become the result of this formula will become the lookup value for the next formula, that is VLOOKUP. So this will be the lookup value, comma, in table 2, comma, column index is 2 and exact match. So for this employee number 1, it will search for tax account number, that is this ABC12145, and based on this result it will search in table 2, that is this last row, and it will bring the result from column 2 in table 2. So this is one easy and simple trick in case if you are retrieving the information from two tables and the lookup value is not common in two tables.